Hello students, welcome again in my YouTube channel. This one is the second part of the first chapter of Independence 1857. In previous video we have discussed about this chapter, its main causes, and in this video we will discuss about the center leaders, suppression of the revolt, result of the revolt. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel. Now start. The first war of independence 1857. Centers and leaders. Centers and leaders means in which part of India this revolt was concentrated and who led this revolt. Now, the regiments in Meerut revolted on May 10, 1857. I told in previous video that revolt was started by the sepoys of Meerut Cantonment Zone on 10th May 1857. Sepoys marched to Delhi on May 11 and rebelled under the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar II. Means that soldiers मार्च टू दिल्ली, वो मेरठ से कहाँ गए, दिल्ली गए और मुग़ल बादशाह जो उस समय बहादुर शाह जफ़र थे उनसे कहा कि आप इस रिवोल्ट को, इस विद्रोह को लीड कीजिए, मीन्स आप हमारे नेता बन जाइए, ठीक है ना. इन कानपुर इट वॉज लेड बाय नाना साहेब अलॉन्ग विद हिज जनरल तात्या तोपे. कानपुर में इस रिवोल्ट को नाना साहब और उनके जनरल तात्या तोपे ने लीड किया. अवध में, इन अवध इट वॉज लेड बाय बेगम हजरत महल. इन झांसी इट वॉज लेड बाय रानी लक्ष्मी बाई. इन बिहार कुंवर जगदीश सिंह. These are the main centers of that revolt, but there are few more centers. The revolt also spread in Bareilly, Agra, Banaras, Allahabad and many few places, but it is highly centralized in center part of the India, not over all over India, but there are few sections in Indian society who were not supported that revolt at that time. They were the Sikh in Punjab, Nizam of Hyderabad and Sindhia of Gwalior did not join the revolt. The Madras and Bombay regiments also did not join the revolt, means the soldiers of Madras and Bombay not supported. The Afghans and Gurkhas supported British, means Gurkhas Nepali soldiers, and Afghan regiment means the army of India and Afghanistan border, or you can say Afghan soldiers, not supported that revolt. Okay, next one is suppression of the revolt. In this we will discuss about what methods, what way Britishers adopted to stop that revolt. They became very cruel. British military officer freed Delhi, hundreds of people massacred. Means when Britishers started to stop that revolt, they started to kill. This one is the authentic data, not authentic data. Many of people injured, many of people killed. Not only common people. When Britishers freed Delhi, he killed two sons of Bahadur Shah Jafar also. Bahadur Shah Jafar II was tried for treason and exiled to Rangoon. बहादुर शाह जफर को भी पनिशमेंट मिली देशद्रोह के लिए, विद्रोह के लिए, और उनको रंगून भेज दिया गया. रंगून मीन्स प्रेजेंट म्यांमार. लखनऊ was recaptured in 1857, in 1858. Rani Lakshmibai was killed in the battle, everyone knowing. Tata Tope was captured and hanged to death. And after that revolt was suppressed by Britishers. Now next one is the main points, causes of the failure in this revolt. These points are very important, why we lost that revolt, why we lost that war. So few points are here. The revolt was broke out before appointed date, means the date which was fixed by the for the revolt, that revolt started before date with unplanned way. Second one is absence of unity among rebels, means the rebels of Kanpur, the rebels of Jhansi, the rebels of soldiers, they work independently. There was no any unity, there was no any full plan. Third point, nationality was not developed among them. This one is the main point. They fought for their individual benefit, they were not for national. Fourth point, revolt was limited in few pockets. That revolt was centralized only central part of the India, not all over the India. If that revolt was spreaded and every section in society joined them, so that we got independence in 1857 definitely. But few sections in the society and few part of India, that revolt was active. Now next one is, rebels had no any modern weapons and not trained as British force. Indians were not trained just like Britishers, and they have no any modern weapon. Last point, leader was not strong to give proper direction. Bahadur Shah Zafar was a weak leader, and he was failed to give a proper direction to won that war. Okay, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, so first of all subscribe it and please give comments for the betterment of video. Thank you again. Now after that, the last point is consequences of the revolt. After failure of the revolt, yes, there is no any doubt that we lost that battle, we lost that war. But after that war, we got few positive situation indications. We got something also. What we got? The rule of East India Company ended with Queen Victoria proclamation of November 1st, 1858. Means after that war, East India Company dissolved and the rule of India gone to the hand of British Crown, means Queen Victoria. She assumed the title of Empress of India. She became the Empress of India. The British Crown took over the administration of India. Just we are discussing about it. A Secretary of State was appointed by the British Parliament. British Parliament appointed one person in India to know the situation condition of India. The Governor General was given the title of Viceroy, the representative of the British Crown. The Governor General जो हुआ करते थे उनको वायसराय कहा जाने लगा, ठीक है, वायसराय कहने लगे, और वो किसके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थे? क्राउन के, ब्रिटिश क्राउन के. स्टेट वुड नॉट बी एनेक्स्ड एंड वर ग्रांटेड द राइट ऑफ अडॉप्शन. सबसे बड़ा जो चेंज आया वो ये आया कि महारानी ने, क्वीन विक्टोरिया ने ये कहा कि अब हम किसी भी राजा को हराएंगे नहीं, किसी राजा के ऊपर आक्रमण नहीं करेंगे, और किसी भी राज्य को, किसी भी एरिया को हम अपने अंडर में नहीं लेंगे, और डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स को डिसॉल्व कर दिया. मींस डलहौजी ने जिस पॉलिसी के थ्रू राज्यों को हड़पने की कोशिश की थी आफ्टर 1857 वॉर, वो बंद हो गया, और अब राजा को एडॉप्टेशन का भी अधिकार मिल गया. अगर उनके नेचुरल बच्चे नहीं हैं तो भी वो किसी बच्चे को गोद लेकर के उसको अपना राज्य दे सकते थे. नाउ लास्ट वन इज full religious freedom, high post and had given without any discrimination. अब सभी को अपने धर्मों को, विचारों को स्वतंत्रता पूर्वक कहने का अधिकार मिल गया था, ठीक है। और ऑफिस में भी बड़े बड़ी पोस्ट इंडियंस को मिलने लगी थी विदाउट एनी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. सो with this point I stop my video. Thank you.